From Visteon to the world, we are a benchmark in innovation. We develop digital displays and intelligent interfaces that connect driver and vehicle in an intuitive, visual, and safe way. We create innovative infotainment systems that transform the car interior into a connected and personalized experience. In our automated production lines, precision and efficiency walk side by side with quality. Picture a factory where nothing goes unnoticed, where every machine, every workstation, every movement on the line is observed in real time. Smart cameras guided by deep learning AI are always watching, not to control, but to protect. This is Line Monitor, your invisible ally that combines advanced visual monitoring with artificial intelligence. It sees what others miss, and it acts the moment something goes wrong. Line Monitor detects anomalies instantly, spots risks to operators, and anticipates downtime before it disrupts production. Through a simple web interface, you can define lines, inspection zones, and workflows with ease. And when support is needed, a single gesture calls for help. Faster, safer, more efficient. It adapts to any environment. Modular, expandable, built to scale. From a single cell to an entire plant, Line Monitor grows as your factory grows. But its real strength isn't in watching, it's in transforming. By turning streams of visual data into insights and actions, Line Monitor shifts manufacturers from reacting to problems to anticipating them, from firefighting to leading with foresight. The results are clear: higher product quality, fewer costly stops, safer workstations, smarter processes, stronger performance. Line Monitor is vision for a new era of manufacturing, protecting, improving, transforming.